Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can access Bigo Live on your PC, how you can log in Bigo Live and how you can use it. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So all you have to do is access your browser, type in Bigo Live as I have done, and you will find the Bigo Live's official website. Once you tap on it, you will find this kind of interface, including the section of apps to Android APK, etc. And you will find this option of login. Now go to login over here and simply go ahead, scan the QR code and get logged in from your app itself. So as you can see over here, you need to go ahead, go to your app, have Bigo Live on your app, sign in, and then go to the section of settings and go to section of settings and go to then scan QR code, scan this particular QR code, and you will be able to get logged into this Bigo Live's website, and you can access this. Likewise, your app, you don't have to download any kind of application on your PC whatsoever. As I mentioned, it also requires for you to have the app. So go ahead, have your app installed and registered in your mobile phone, and you're good to go. That's basically it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.